Today I just got back from work, but gotta come back and do the tub at my house right here. As you can see, the faucet. The faucet. This is a $400 a month bill for the water. And so go turn. The water keeps on running. Turn it off. See, just drip, 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 drip. What you want to do is, it might be, all you need to do is maybe you just need to change a washer. That's it. You just might need to change a washer. So go turn your water off, and then I'm gonna go turn the water off, and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay. Now since the water is turned off, okay, so there should be a screw hole right here on the top. Well, it should be a screw hole, one screw hole. Just take your Allen wrench, put in that screw hole, and you unscrew it. Once you unscrew it, you can pull it right off. Okay, that's it. And the screw should look like something like that. Okay. Okay, now got your Phillips unscrew right here, 2 screws. You see the water dripping a little, but mine is actually dripping a little bit more than expected. But instead of like $30, $40 a month on water bill, I end up having a $400 water bill just from that. Thought I turned the water all off. Still dripping. Okay. Now you remove all that. One. Okay. Yeah, loosen that. And you can pop this out. Where's the screwdriver? You may need a screwdriver in between and just pop it out, pull it. No screw, no nothing. Just pop it out. Ow. It's been there for a long time, that's why. Harder than I thought. Okay, now you got, after you pop it out, you got 2 washers in here. As you can see, sometimes the spring might not be popping good enough. That can also cause the water to leak. See, I can tell you which one is actually bad. This one is a little bit okay, but as you can see, this one right here, you see it right here, it's just a little chip off. You know, you say, everything else is good, but it's just that little chip. So we're going to replace both of them. Okay, we're going to replace both of them. Got a replacement here. It's about $5 for it. Go replace the spring too. Just put it down this way. Okay? And you want the big piece of the spring going in. So we go in this way. Hold on. It should go in pretty smooth. Okay, there you go. Perfect. Take your time, take your time. Don't rush it. Because you don't want it to be slanting at all or anything. Put it a little crooked or something. There you go. There you go. See? Pop right back up. Okay. Now you know your hot is go here and your cold here. So you make sure you add the hot and cold suction. Okay, there you go. Twist it a little in, and now there you go. This you can do it by hand. No tool needed. I changed the washer, but somehow it's still leaking. So this is supposed to be popping right out, but I couldn't pop it out. I had to use some force into popping it out, so that maybe it's this washer right here that is causing the leak. But as I'm popping it out, I broke it. As you can see, I broke it. So I went to buy a replacement for it. Instead of getting a Delta, I bought myself Everbuilt. As you can see, it's almost identical. So actually, it's identical. Yeah. So just go put a new one on, and it's easy putting a replacement. It's either you call it a cartridge or a shower stem. You know, it's either a stem or cartridge. Replacement cartridge or replacement stem. So instead of replacing the whole new system, if you don't want to replace a whole new system, just replace it. And this, you just put it on, put it in. See? That's why sometimes see it's a little clog. But somehow it's a little crack open or something. I hope it's nothing major. Get in. This all you need to do is push it in, and that is it. There you go. Completely in. Just push it in. That's it. And now we put everything back together. Okay. Put your bolt on. That's how you change a whole new stem for a cartridge. And the thing is, I didn't want to buy the original Delta. Delta is $62. This is $34 for Everlast. Everlast. Everbuilt. My bad. And also, I'm being cheap. And that'll be it. You see, and after that I go turn on the water. Okay, see, after you place the cartridge, if you change the washer, it doesn't help, it doesn't fix it. Maybe you need to change the whole cartridge, because when I was changing this, somehow it's still dripping a little, drip, 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 which it shouldn't. And then I try to remove the whole cartridge, it broke on me. So basically, glad it broke on me. So now I change a whole brand new cartridge. As you can see, no dripping. And now, water back on, turn the water off, and that's it. No drip. See? That drip actually cost me $400. Maybe it won't cost you all the way to extreme of $400, but maybe it will cost you like $100, $200 worth of it. You need to fix it, because it's ridiculous that I have to pay $400 water bill. So see, nothing. Once all the water come out, see, that's it. But if you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you.